people, by popular demand, the hunter is back. And I'm taking no prisoners. Lady Liberty, I am here.
I think Mother Nature is afraid. She's cowering on me. She's afraid. I taste her blood. Coward, I'm gonna beat you again another year, Nature. My inbox is full of questions like, Blizzard Hunter, why do you do it? Why do you tackle these snowstorms in such dreaded weather? And I tell them, I do this for you. I do this for you. Mother Nature thinks she's going to win this battle. But of course she'll try. She'll try her damnedest. But I will win the war. I will win the war. Apparently people have tapped out. The streets have become more and more quiet. As I embark on my journey, nothing deters me. Nothing at all. I do this for liberty. I do this for you. Apparently the winds are going at gusts of 60 miles per hour, but that stops nothing. I have a mission. I will continue my mission until the mission is done. Hello, Luke. I'm out here. As you can see, a family of settlers walking the streets because that seems to be the only safe place you can walk. I have no idea, but I'll walk wherever I need to walk to do what I have to do. The hunter is back. I must pay bills first. I have to shout out protocol for this fancy coat. Must shout Paragon for these fancy snow pants. Timberland for their field boots. And last but not my newest sponsor. Follow my lead. Made me a trusty ski mask so I can conquer the rest of this journey. Because I have a serious journey ahead of me. And I have people that need me right now. Apparently, I can't cover my face completely with it because I didn't want the New York authorities to think I'm some type of bloat crawling in someone's window. And my trusty companions love to see the beard, so I'll do the mask. The bloody snow is up to barely my kneecaps. It's a lot of snow out here. Icicles hanging from the light fixtures. It is a true winter, I tell you. A true bloody winter. I say again, people, if you have to be out here, please have yourself a nice little pocket rocket of some good brown water, preferably Hennessy. It always works. Carry on. My next mission is to pay respect to a fallen soldier from the blizzard of 2015. My little Mexican friend who died on his bicycle while delivering food. That's my next stop. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. The final resting place was over here. I found my little Mexican friend's bike in the blizzard of 2015. Rest in peace, little fella. I'm here for you. Please don't send me idiotic messages asking, can I bring you some cat food? Your cat shouldn't be hungry. I am in the blizzard for missions that people can't handle. I have you. Please don't blow up my notifications with requests. I do requests one at a time. Right now I'm on a search for brown water, apparently which the people call Hennessy. Hello, chap. Good day to you. Part 1 of my mission is complete. Apparently, the blizzard does not fear the Asians. The Asians are open. Brown water, I am here. I am here. As far as the eye can see, wounded vehicles, stuck cars, can't move. If you don't have all-wheel drive or rear drive, why would you drive? Don't be a blooming idiot. The wind chill is maybe about 38 to 65 knots. Oh, preferably 45 miles an hour. But it seems to be a few vehicles that are not crippled by the storm. Poor sap. It's a bloody shame. He's stuck in the snow. The blizzard is crippling everywhere. His windows won't close, his hood won't go down, and he revs away. Can't help I come treaties of the sweet land of liberty. Hennessy I bring. Hello, Governor. Right now we're walking in the blizzard The snow is wonderful. What people are doing to travel for beer and snacks. Hello, snowstorm. Hello, mateys. It is amazing what black people will do for beer. Anything that will keep your insides warm in a blizzard. Only blizzard of 2015. Hello, mate. Apparently the blizzard isn't over yet. I'm on my journey to the farther north side, but I will keep you updated on my findings. The blizzard. People, my journey carries on. I'm 3/4 of the way back to camp and still no life form, but by the bloody Queen of England, I will find life. Blizzard 2015. People, my journey has come to a close. I have found form of life. As I pounced upon it, bear with me, the journey is over. Just came upon some form of transportation. Poor chap never had a chance. This goes out to you, fella. The expedition was for you, 2015 blizzard. With England in front of me and Lady Liberty behind me, the journey was a success. I am the Blizzard Hunter, 2015. God bless us all. God bless all of you who supported me in my journey of finding the biggest blizzard. I thank you all. The Blizzard Hunter, job is done. Queen of England, I'm coming home. Tally-ho.